What's going on? It's your boy Big John, Big John's Bully House. Go ahead and show the 3 available puppies. Simba, the big red brindle boy. And then you guys are calling her Precious. Precious, the blue female. And then Chiquita, the brindle female. If you guys are interested, you can contact me at 815-632-9073.
Hey, you already ate your food, bro.
Want to give a huge shout out to everybody, you know, the condolences and prayers and everything about Gotti and shit, man. I do appreciate you guys. Big boy. Puppies are up to date on shots, dewormings, ABKC papers in hand. Big boy, big boy, good boy. Let's see them big old paws, boy. Let's see them, huh? I don't even know what color brindle that is, man. I wouldn't be able to say, really. I don't know. Jaquez Jameson already took his boy home. Mariano, your pup will be there this evening. Chico.
That's a boy right there.
Hey, that good boy. That good boy, yeah, to me, that good boy. Chico is the grandfather to the pups.
Stop.
Relax. I'm getting too overexcited, huh? Here's the mama to the pups. Oh, Juicy Lucy. Oh, Juicy Lucy. Oh, Juicy Lucy.
Oh, yeah, good girl.
A good boy.
Hold on, I'll take you on, mama.
Simba.
And bread cheese, all of them.
Simba. Chiquita. Choo.
It's too hot.
Oh, pretty baby. Loki is the uncle to the pups. Loki. There's old Luna. What? I know it, huh? What? Relax. Luna is the aunt to the pups. Baby. My mate. Kind of give you guys a little rundown of the pedigree in person instead of just pictures trying to tell you. So again, Simba, Luna's the aunt. You got the blue girl Precious, and then you got the brindle female Chiquita. Again, man, if you guys are interested, 815-632-9073. The blue female Precious, the brindle boy Simba, the brindle female in the back is Chiquita.
This right now. Yeah, bye. Yeah, you
Get a hold of us, man. 815-632-9073. Oh yeah, we got Jig here, man. Getting ready to go work out, hit that heavy bench. As always, man, take care. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. Keep rocking with us.